From the heart of the tropics stands a tree of life, the Palmyra Palm. Its bounty is a gift. The secret lies in the spathe, the unopened flower cluster. A precise cut, a patient wait. This daily ascent and descent is an ancient dance of discipline. Dawn's harvest is precious. It is rushed from the tree to the processing center, for time is the enemy of fresh, unfermented Neera. The journey to the factory is short, but vital. Every precaution is taken to maintain the purity and temperature of the collected sap. Welcome to the heart of the operation. Here, tradition meets modern hygiene and efficiency to transform nature's gift. The first step is rigorous filtration. Purity is paramount, ensuring no organic matter or insect life.
Quality control is immediate. We measure the Brix level, the sugar content, to ensure the Neera is of the highest natural concentration.
For Jaggery production, the Neera is channeled into giant evaporation vats. This is where the magic begins.
The slow reduction is key. As the water vaporizes, the natural sugars concentrate, intensifying the flavor and color. Constant, gentle stirring is required to ensure uniform heating. It's a blend of science and age-old technique.
While one stream continues its journey to rockflower solid Jaggery, a separate, less reduced stream is prepared.
The syrup is flash-cooled and immediately bottled. This prevents further fermentation and locks in the fresh, sweet flavor.
Labeling is the final step for the liquid product. Pure, natural palm syrup, ready for distribution. For the Jaggery, we continue. The concentration is nearing its critical point, the setting stage. The ratio of sugar to water is almost complete.
145 degrees. Confirmed.
The temperature is critical. A few degrees too low, it won't set. A few too high, and the sugar crystallizes improperly.
The moment of truth. The mass must be removed from the heat and spread quickly to begin the cooling and setting process. This kneading process is essential. It controls the crystallization, ensuring the final Jaggery is soft, granular, and not too hard or brittle. The texture shifts dramatically within minutes, from molten liquid to a solid that will soon be the prized, traditional sugar.
Segmentation begins. The Jaggery is cut into manageable, sellable portions while it retains a slight pliability. Final product, pure, unrefined Palmyra Jaggery. A healthier sweetener, rich in minerals and deeply flavorful.
Each block is hermetically sealed to preserve its freshness, aroma, and delicate granular texture.
From the palm's crown to the consumer's pantry, the journey is now complete. The finished product is secured and prepared for global distribution.
The bounty of the Palmyra Palm, ethically and expertly processed. A taste of natural sweetness, preserved for the world.
The work is done for the day. But the cycle of nature and tradition continues, waiting for the break of a new dawn.
The tapper's relationship with the palm is one of respect and sustainability. The tree is nourished.
The journey of the Jaggery begins now, connecting the ancient method of the palm grove to modern markets across the world. More than just a sweetener, Palmyra Jaggery is a pure, unrefined piece of nature's best.
A dedicated process, a sustainable practice, a pure product.
Discover the difference. Experience Palmyra's gold.
Sun rises on the second pillar of our operation, the crafting of the pure palm syrup.
Cleanliness at the source is vital. An early morning rinse ensures the collected Neera is contaminant-free from the start.
The Neera harvest is a race against time and nature. A team effort ensures maximum freshness for both syrup and Jaggery.
The syrup base receives special handling. Insulated containers protect the sensitive liquid from temperature fluctuations on its journey. Microfiltration is next. Even the finest particles are spun out, resulting in a liquid purity beyond standard screening. The balance of the syrup is crucial for flavor and shelf life. We verify the natural pH for perfect stability.
A flash pasteurization step eliminates all microbial life while preserving the Neera's delicate, natural flavor profile.
Rapid cooling is essential. It stops the cooking process immediately. and locks in the light, sweet taste of the pure syrup.
Tamper-proof sealing ensures the syrup remains as pure and fresh on the shelf as it was moments ago in the factory. Refrigerated transport maintains the perfect temperature, ensuring every bottle delivered is of exceptional quality.
The tapper's tools are an extension of his expertise. Kept razor sharp, they ensure a clean cut, crucial for the health of the palm.
No part of the Palmyra is wasted. The strong fronds.
This secondary industry sustains local craftspeople, demonstrating the tree's complete resourcefulness. Sustainable harvesting is our commitment. We continuously monitor the environment to ensure the long-term health of the entire ecosystem.
Between every batch, every piece of equipment is sterilized. Hygiene is non-negotiable in the production of food products.
From the vats to the tables, every surface is returned to pristine condition, ready for the next day's high-temperature production. Automated systems ensure even the filling mechanisms are flawlessly sanitized, minimizing all human contact with the final product.
Our entire process is data logged. From sap collection time to final batch cooling, quality is ensured by precise control.
Palmyra Jaggery is distinct. Its light, mineral-rich sweetness is a world away from the heavier taste of standard cane sugar products.
It is a product of tradition, a healthy staple in the tapper's own home, connecting his labor directly to his daily life. The process begins with the raw material. Quality in the grove, quality in the lab. Two distinct paths for the nectar. The path to crystallization and the path to preservation.
For Jaggery, rapid, intense heat initiates the aggressive evaporation phase, targeting over 85% water removal.
The syrup is held at a controlled pasteurization simmer, just enough to sterilize, not enough to significantly reduce.
Jaggery boil is closely managed. It is an art of patience and power, requiring constant attention to prevent scorching.
For the syrup, any natural impurities are gently removed by automated skimmers, ensuring crystal clarity in the final bottle.
Traditional test. If the syrup forms a firm ball in cold water, the critical concentration point has been reached.
The syrup undergoes a final, pressurized purification. This guarantees the long-term stability and brightness of the product.
No time to waste. The mass must be spread to begin cooling, arresting the temperature and preparing for crystallization.
Maintaining the correct pre-filling temperature prevents condensation and ensures a perfect sealed bottle. This manual mixing ensures a smooth, non-gritty crystallization, developing the fine, soft texture prized in Palmyra Jaggery. The bottling process is high-speed and fully automated, maintaining sterile conditions for a high-volume output. The final shaping, the Jaggery is compacted into large initial blocks, ready for its final cut and individual packaging.
A final pass under UV light ensures the exterior of the bottle is as pristine as the product within.
Precision is key. Each individual block is measured and cut to an exact, consistent weight and dimension. Ready for retail, the syrup is bundled into convenient, secure units, prepared for transport to distributors.
The tapper's day is relentless. The midday climb is the most difficult, but essential for the continuous flow of fresh sap.
Behind the craft is a commitment to global standards. Our rigorous quality control ensures trust with international partners.
A crucial difference, Palmyra Jaggery is a true whole food, retaining vital minerals lost in the refining of white sugar.
The tree is a long-term resource. Sustainable tapping practices ensure the palm's health and yield for up to 80 years.
The palm is resilient, healing quickly from the daily tap, ready to offer its next day's flow. From traditional cuisine to modern culinary art, Palmyra's sweetness offers pure, unrefined versatility.
The pots must be spotless. Any residue can accelerate the natural fermentation process, compromising the Neera.
The cycle repeats, dictated by the sun and the natural rhythm of the Palmyra Palm.
Day's yield is magnificent. Hundreds of kilos of natural, high-quality sweetener, ready for the next stage.
Final quality assurance. Every bottle is individually inspected to meet the highest standard of presentation and purity.
The texture tells the story. This fine, almost powdery grain is the signature of pure, correctly processed Palmyra sap.
The modern factory sleeps, resting from the day's intensive production, ready to power up again at dawn. The work is never truly done. The night's chill will preserve the richest sap, setting the stage for the next day's liquid gold harvest.
Under the moon, the sweet Neera flows, a silent promise of the sun-drenched sweetness to come.
The call of the palm begin before the horizon light. A dedication that honors the resource.
Modern counterpart. The factory awakens, its machinery standing ready for the day's precise work.
It is a trust between man and nature, a climb mastered through generations of careful practice. Temperature check is critical. The coolness confirms the purity of the overnight sap, maintaining its unfermented state. Morning torrent begins. The raw, precious Neera is safely secured, beginning its transformation.
2 boiling points. Aggressive reduction for the solid, gentle sterilization for the liquid.
The syrup stage is passing. The mass is now a heavy slurry, concentrating rapidly toward its setting point.
The final sediment check. The syrup must be perfectly clear, ready for the high-speed bottling.
The final push. The high concentration of sugar means the mass is now extremely dense and must be moved quickly.
Precision filling ensures a uniform headspace, vital for product preservation and stability.
Working the mass releases the final, residual heat, forcing the sugar to crystallize into the desired soft, granular state.
The steady flow of product is a testament to the synchronized efficiency of the entire line. Protection of the source is lifelong. The tapper is the custodian of the palm's health.
Training is constant. Every team member understands the critical importance of food safety and cross-contamination prevention.
Automation ensures perfect, stable stacking for secure, damage-free freight and inventory. The final security, a perfect seal and clear information, guaranteeing purity and shelf life.
The factory's output is immense, requiring a synchronized logistical operation to prepare for daily transport.
Another day complete. The promise of tomorrow's pure Neera, secured against the cool of the night. The final stage, connecting the natural source to the global market, delivering the purest products.
The dual gifts of the Palmyra Palm, the unrefined, wholesome Jaggery, and the light, pure palm syrup.
The knowledge is passed down. Safety and technique are the pillars of sustainable harvesting.
Water purity is absolute. Every drop used in the facility is microfiltered and sterilized, ensuring a contamination-free environment.
Our commitment is to pure Jaggery. We rigorously test against any attempt at adulteration with cheaper starches or sugars.
Consistency in weight is key for fair trade and consumer trust. Every block is precision weighed.
The liquid gold flows. Its natural clarity and perfect viscosity are preserved from the palm's heart. A clean trunk ensures a clean climb and a hygienic work environment for the tapping.
Internal environment control is managed to minimize dust and maintain a low humidity, crucial for both syrup and Jaggery quality.
Our process is energy-intensive, but driven by a commitment to renewable sources, powering production with the sun's energy.
The final manipulation, creating the ideal structure for a Jaggery that dissolves perfectly on the tongue.
The versatile syrup graces tables globally, prized by chefs for its pure, distinctive sweetness and clarity.
The incision is shallow and gentle, just enough to encourage the flow, protecting the vital core of the spathe. Visual confirmation of the morning's pure, unfermented harvest. Clarity at the start ensures quality at the finish.
A natural additive is used to control the vigorous foaming,
ensuring an even, controlled boil and preventing boilovers. Every liter is verified for correct volume and density before entering the final packaging stage.
Safety is paramount in this elevated work. A secured harness and rope system are essential for the daily descents.
Final check. The syrup must possess the characteristic, light, slightly malty flavor and fresh aroma of pure palm Neera.
The cooled primary blocks are ready for the automated high-precision cutting line. Automated vision systems ensure every label is perfectly placed and sealed, upholding our brand standard.
See, you must ensure it clicks firmly into place.
Mentorship is vital. The knowledge of the palm and its safe harvesting is a treasured community resource.
A symphony of precision. Two distinct, high-quality products, born from a single, pure source.
The final, perfect geometry.
Uniform blocks, each a guaranteed portion of natural sweetness. Protective consolidation. The bundles are sealed for secure stacking and retail display.
The palm is alive. The tapper must feel the tissue, ensuring the cut is sufficient yet gentle.
Commitment to the environment. All discharged water is treated and tested, ensuring zero negative impact on the local ecosystem.
Full traceability from shelf to source. We track every batch back to the grove and the tapper who harvested the Neera.
The final product moves rapidly through the logistic channel, ready for final crating and shipment.
Cycle is a source of pride. The tapper is the first crucial link in the chain of quality. The journey is now global. From the palm to the world, a true export of natural, tropical sweetness.
The perfect dissolve. The mark of unrefined, natural Palmyra sweetness, perfect for hot beverages.
The heart of our endeavor. The magnificent, sustaining Palmyra Palm.
Optimizing the harvest. The collection height is carefully chosen to maximize the Neera's natural sugar concentration.
Beyond simple bricks, our gas chromatography analysis guarantees the Neera is
Continuous improvement. Advanced non-stick linings prevent scorching, ensuring the final Jaggery flavor is always clean and pure. De-aeration is the final step for visual perfection. Removing all microscopic air ensures a brilliant, non-foaming syrup.
A difference of a few degrees can mean the difference between a full pot and a lost harvest. Precision is ingrained.
Automated cleaning records provide an auditable chain of hygiene, guaranteeing a sterile environment for every batch.
A thin, natural oil coating on the cooling table ensures a clean release and a perfect bottom surface on the final Jaggery blocks.
A final, hermetic seal is created beneath the cap, locking in the freshness and providing an extra layer of consumer security.
Every part of the palm is a resource. The fronds are bundled for use in local crafts and sustainable building materials.
Coordination is key. Every day's production is precisely planned and managed to meet demand without compromising quality.
Hand feel test, the most traditional quality check to ensure the mass will set into the perfect, soft, granular texture.
Gentle handling is paramount. Even the final crating is automated to prevent any damage to the sealed glass bottles.
Tools are kept immaculate. A clean blade ensures a healthy cut. A clean scraper prevents contamination.
A complex, nutrient-dense sweetener, Palmyra Jaggery is rich in the essential minerals and B vitamins for a healthy diet.
Every final unit is digitally logged, maintaining a real-time, accurate inventory for global stock management.
Documenting perfection. A final visual record of the day's quality output before it leaves the facility.
A true reward. The fruit of the day's labor, enjoyed by the tapper and his family.
Under the vast, silent tropical night, the palm continues its work, slowly, patiently, preparing for the dawn.
An unbroken chain of quality and care, from the root of the palm to the final sealed package.
Discover the pure, natural difference. Sustainably sweet.
The coldest hours reel the purest sap. The journey upward begins in the dark, guided by habit and necessity.
Okay, move that one closer to the center. We need even cooling. Is used. Controlled air to cool the Jaggery mass evenly.
The sheet must be perfectly level. This ensures all final blocks cut from the sheet will cool and set at the same rate.
Robust partition inserts ensure zero bottle-to-bottle contact during transport, guaranteeing an undamaged delivery. The collection pot is replaced immediately. The continuous flow of sap is never interrupted, ensuring maximum yield.
Safety is non-negotiable. Regular testing of advanced fire suppression systems protects both product and personnel.
Perfect set. The solid Jaggery sheet is lifted, ready for the high-precision cutting process.
The final layer of security. The stretch wrap unit binds the individual crates into a single, stable shipping unit.
The beauty of the tropical dawn. The quiet reward for the tapper's intense, solitary work.
The ultimate guarantee. Microbial testing on the final product confirms a sterile, safe, and pure product.
The high-precision cutter segments the large sheets into the final, uniform blocks with zero wastage. Maintaining the cold chain from the factory to the final port ensures the syrup's quality and stability. Safety is a learned skill. A precise, controlled descent protects both the tapper and the valuable harvest.
Our commitment to quality is reflected directly in consumer satisfaction, the ultimate measure of our success.
Consistency and quality in every piece. The final product is ready for its protective sealing. The cold chain is sealed. The product is now in transit, its quality preserved to its final destination. A moment to rest and observe the trees. The energy is renewed for the afternoon's labor.
Our dedication to the environment and ethical labor is validated by leading global certification bodies.
Final presentation. The Jaggery is boxed in retail display units, ready for the consumer.
The daily output is efficiently managed. Secure, organized storage ensures rapid fulfillment of international orders.
Facility is secured, protecting the valuable machinery and the finished product until the break of dawn.
A product with a global footprint, delivering pure, natural sweetness to consumers across continents.
The perfect natural sweetener for a wholesome start to the day. Dissolving instantly, enriching the flavor. Under the moon and the cool, preserving mist, the pure Neera gathers.
Continuous care protects the tree from pests, ensuring a healthy trunk and safe climbing for the tapper.
Modern management allows for constant vigilance. The factory is monitored 24/7 for security and climate control.
The long-distance journey ends at the distribution center, the gateway to the retail consumer.
A resource of immense patience. The Palmyra Palm, a lifetime of sustained, natural sweetness.
Nature, tradition, and precision. Palmyra's purest.
Just a little here.
A natural preservative, a trace of food-grade lime, is used inside the pot to slow the natural fermentation of the sweet Neera.
Moisture content is the key to shelf stability. The Jaggery must be perfectly dry to prevent crystallization and spoilage.
Laser alignment ensures every cut is precise, guaranteeing uniform block size and zero waste in the cutting process.
A dual seal system provides ultimate protection. The initial synthetic cork creates an airtight barrier against oxidation.
Traditional natural materials provide the best safety. The rough fiber tape ensures a secure, non-slip grip in all weather.
Daily, pre-production sanitation checks are non-negotiable. Zero tolerance for microbial life in the processing environment.
Final quality assurance. Every block passes through a metal detection unit, guaranteeing the product is free of any foreign material. Crucial consumer information must be legible. An automated system verifies the integrity of the printed codes.
Sound of the sap, the pulse of the palm. The tapper knows by the sound the quality of the overnight flow.
Efficiency in the supply chain is key. Routes are precisely planned to minimize transport time and maintain cold chain integrity.
Protection against humidity. A food-safe silica packet ensures the Jaggery remains dry and granular in all climates.
Long-term quality assurance. Samples are incubated in extreme conditions to guarantee stability and shelf life.
Ensure the strap is completely taut.
The ladder is the lifelink. Its security must be checked multiple times a day to ensure tapper safety.
Quality assurance extends to transport. The vehicles must be sterile and pre-cooled before any product is loaded.
Tamper-evident sealing provides the final consumer assurance of product integrity from the factory to the store shelf.
Order and organization. Every box is tracked and stored at optimal temperature, awaiting final shipment.
The raw taste, the unfermented Neera, the light, pure, refreshing core of all the final products.
Fantastic work on the line.
Couldn't do it without the team.
High morale and teamwork are essential. Every worker is part of the final product's quality.
A resource built on time. The incredible longevity of the Palmyra Palm is the foundation of our sustainable practice.
The pure light of the sun, captured and preserved. Palmyra's golden harvest. The Palmyra Palm is more than a source of sugar. It is the lifeblood of the surrounding community.
Fair compensation for labor is fundamental. Our commitment to ethical sourcing directly supports the tappers and their families.
A significant local employer. Our operation supports hundreds of families through direct, sustainable employment.
Investing in the future. A portion of all profit is reinvested into local education and health initiatives.
The crystalline beauty of unrefined sugar. A natural product with an unparalleled depth of flavor. The perfect viscosity. A rich, flowing syrup that complements any dish with its light, malty sweetness. The ancient craft continues, passed on and performed in harmony. Two tappers, one shared, dedicated goal.
Innovation is key. We continually research new, sustainable ways to utilize the full spectrum of the Palmyra Palm's resources.
Simplicity is purity. Our minimal processing preserves the natural goodness and mineral content of the palm sap.
The fine grain of perfection. A soft, gentle texture that melts effortlessly. The tools of the craft are often inherited, a direct link to generations of tappers who mastered this art.
Sharing our standards. We demonstrate how modern hygiene ensures the safety and purity of the natural harvest.
Our signature of purity. Each block is stamped with our mark, guaranteeing its source and quality.
Final volumetric control, ensuring every bottle contains the precise, guaranteed measure of pure palm syrup.
Simple, natural tools are often the most effective, using the palm's own resource to protect the harvest. Layered protection, guaranteeing the integrity and purity of the product from our floor to your table.
Educating the consumer. Each box contains information on the health benefits and traditional uses of Palmyra Jaggery.
Crossing oceans, bridging cultures, the pure palm syrup begins its long-distance journey to global markets.
The work is a family tradition, passing on the skills and the respect for the palm to the next generation.
Natural indulgence. The perfect pairing of Palmyra syrup and Jaggery in a single, exquisite dessert.
Essential protection. Custom-made gear shields the tapper from the rough, abrasive surface of the palm trunk.
Tools that contact the product are sterilized at intense heat and pressure, guaranteeing zero biological contamination.
The final seal of quality. A unique batch sticker allows us to track every box back to the precise moment of its production.
Serving our immediate community. Local distribution ensures the freshest possible product reaches our domestic consumers first.
A moment of fellowship. Sharing the pure, fresh Neera is a morning ritual that binds the tappers together.
Optimizing the flow. Real-time inventory management ensures a balance between raw material supply and finished product demand.
Maintaining precision. The cutters are meticulously cleaned and honed after every batch to ensure a perfect cut and no residue.
Perfect pour. Viscosity is scientifically measured to ensure the syrup is neither too thin nor too thick for consumer preference.
The tapper is the builder and maintainer of his own ascent. The natural ladder is cared for as much as the palm itself.
Showcasing the final product, the pure, authentic taste of Palmyra, presented for the global market.
Manual inspection provides the human touch. Every package is checked for the perfect seal and zero air bubbles.
Reject this one.
Long-haul integrity. The refrigerated container maintains the perfect cold chain, no matter the journey's length.
See the pulse right here.
Yes, the peak flow.
The pulse of the palm. An experienced tapper knows by sight and sound the precise peak moment of the Neera flow.
Testing the limits. Extreme condition stability testing guarantees the product's quality across all climates and long storage periods.
Cure for the store shelf. The retail box is sealed, protecting the product until it reaches the consumer's home.
Rapid fulfillment. Air freight is used for urgent orders, ensuring the product's quick delivery to distant markets.
A moment of gratitude. The tapper's connection to the palm is deep, built on respect and reliance.
Final sign-off. The full batch is released for shipment only after the complete quality cycle is documented and approved.
A multi-resource marvel. The Palmyra Palm provides food, shelter materials, and economic stability.
Heart of the palm. Pure, liquid gold. Natural, unrefined, and perfect.
The delicate cleaning of the sap channel is vital. It prevents infection and ensures a pure flow of Neera for the next cycle.
Proactive maintenance is key. Regular, scheduled checks ensure the continuous, flawless operation of all core machinery. Thermal consistency is checked across the cooling surface, ensuring every part of the Jaggery sets uniformly.
Final touch. A gentle wash and air dry to ensure the glass is spotless before the label application.
Physical demands are high. Regular hydration is key to maintaining the tapper's stamina and focus throughout the long day.
As you can see, the molded fiber protects the product entirely.
Excellent.
Commitment to the planet. Continuous
Digital texture analysis. High-speed cameras confirm the granular consistency, ensuring the perfect mouthfeel in every block. In-transit climate monitoring. A sensor tracks humidity to guarantee the product is protected from moisture damage throughout its journey.
The craftsman's ritual. The tools are protected nightly, ensuring their sharpness and longevity for the next day's precise work. The full, perfect bounty of the Palmyra Palm. A taste of pure, natural, tropical sweetness. A simple, clever tool aids the work. The handheld mirror allows the tapper to monitor the collection rate while climbing.
Guaranteeing liquid stability. Rigorous testing ensures the syrup will not crystallize or form sugar sediment over its shelf life.
A final, non-contact clean. A gentle air blast ensures the packaging is spotless before being placed in the retail box. Modern logistics. Automated guided vehicles ensure a safe, precise, and damage-free transfer of products within the warehouse.
See the subtle shift right here.
The subtle language of the palm. Experience allows the tapper to read the subtle signs of peak sap production.
Sensory evaluation is vital. The human palate is a final quality check for the desired pure, malty, unburnt flavor.
Rapid automation for high-volume orders. The speed and scale of the operation meet global market demand.
High security for global transport. Each container is sealed with a unique bolt, ensuring the cargo is untouched until its destination.
The tapper is part of the ecosystem, working in harmony with the natural environment that sustains him and the palm.
Sharing the story. Training our partners on the ethical and sustainable journey from the grove to the consumer.
Detail matters. Every roller and contact point is meticulously cleaned to ensure the packaging is flawless and the machinery runs perfectly. Efficient land transport. Climate-controlled rail cars move high volumes of product efficiently across large distances.
twist it under like this, then pull firm.
Securing the gear with natural materials. A strong, traditional knot is a vital part of the tapper's preparation.
A safe team is an effective team. Continuous, updated safety training is mandatory for all personnel.
Guaranteed quantity. The final box weight is checked to ensure consistent, accurate total product amount for the consumer.
High demand, high volume. Our facility maintains a large, organized inventory to fulfill all global orders promptly.
The final descent. The skill and rhythm are maintained even at the end of a long, physically demanding day.
Clear communication is vital. Tappers are informed immediately of all scheduling and payment details for complete transparency.
Our solemn pledge of purity, a product that is 100% natural, unadulterated, and transparently sourced.
Nature's simple masterpiece. Unrefined, wholesome, and pure. Palmyra Jaggery.
Final act of care. Protecting the wound overnight is essential to the long-term health and yield of the palm.
Predictive quality control. Long-term data analysis helps detect and correct subtle drifts in the equipment before they impact product quality.
Categorizing for the world. International shipments are clearly marked and verified for accurate, secure delivery to foreign ports.
Naturally preserved. The high concentration of sugar and controlled pasteurization eliminate the need for any artificial preservatives.
Leaving the silent palms for the night, the tapper rests, ready to honor the dawn's call.
Check this one here. Our commitment to the environment includes zero waste goals. All waste is rigorously segregated for maximum recycling and minimal landfill impact.
Packaging integrity is electronically confirmed. A fully intact moisture barrier is essential for long-term shelf life.
Speed and efficiency. Intermodal rail ensures high-volume product is delivered quickly and reliably across the continent.
A final evening ritual. The tapper's tools are his extension, kept clean, sharp, and secure for the morning's ascent.
Natural goodness for a modern world. Pure sweetness, unrefined perfection.
The very first drops. The purest, most concentrated Neera of the day, signaling the start of the harvest.
Source verification. Every collection pot is tracked to the individual tapper, ensuring full accountability for the raw material.
Verified, thank you.
The immense daily output. A continuous, high-volume flow of concentrated sugar mass, ready for solidification.
Extended shelf life is guaranteed by science. A nitrogen purge eliminates oxygen, preventing oxidation and preserving the fresh flavor.
The tapper is the first line of defense. Daily inspection of the palm's health ensures a sustained, long-term yield.
Prioritizing employee wellness. A morning briefing includes stretches and a focus on ergonomic safety for the day's tasks.
Protecting the texture. The conveyor system is designed for gentle handling, preventing any breakage or surface damage to the soft jaggery.
The future of delivery. Drones are utilized for rapid, short-distance fulfillment, optimizing last-mile logistics.
The community of tappers looks out for one another. A shared commitment to safety protects the whole team.
The daily quality mandate fulfilled. Every batch parameter confirmed to be within the highest international standard.
Full transparency for the consumer. Scanning the QR code provides instant access to the batch's full source and quality data.
Certified for ethical consumption. Our commitment to fair trade and organic standards is confirmed on every export shipment.
The rhythm of the work. Traditional chants aid in maintaining focus, rhythm, and safety during the strenuous climb.
Reporting excellence. The day's successful output is confirmed and shared, a testament to the team's dedication.
A tower of sweetness. The day's yield, perfectly stacked and ready for the final layer of protective wrapping.
Visual perfection. A flawless, clean product, sealed and ready to be enjoyed across the world.
The final connection. The sweet reward of the palm sustains the tapper's family and community.
The ancient source rests. The quiet promise of pure, natural sweetness continues to gather under the tropical sky.
Dedication in the grove. Precision in the factory. Purity in the product.
Discover the pure difference. Thank you for choosing Palmyra's Gold.